So hello everyone, myself Pirevrat and welcome to the Helpful Techniques. So guys, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you'll be able to get the timely updates regarding latest off campus and the interview preparation videos or the guides and the tips and tricks on how to crack the off campus as well as the on campus. So in our previous videos we discussed about the Relabel job tournament or the Relabel platform where you can apply for any companies as per your convenience. There is no restriction to your branch or year of pass out or your percentage. That means no percentage criteria. If you are skilled enough, then you can apply for any companies. So the salary will be getting starting from 6 LPA to 15 to 20 LPA, and there are many job profiles like front-end development, back-end development, business development executive, etc. And the companies like Urban Company, Lido, Upgrade, Rojopay, etc. Many companies are hiring for various job profiles. So I have seen that many candidates or the viewers have registered for this platform or in this platform. So here, as we discussed earlier, we will be discussing about the selection process and the syllabus. So right now, the candidates, those who are willing to register themselves in this platform, the link is there in the description of this video. You can go through the link for the registration, and while registration or while doing the registration, you can use this coupon code HTE10 to get 10% discount, because they will be charging you 199 this much, but 1999, sorry. If you are using this coupon code, you will be getting 10% discount and you need to pay only 1799 rupees only. So go through the link if you are willing to register. So in this video, we will be discussing about the backend development test syllabus, about the pattern, etc. In the upcoming videos, we will be discussing about the front-end development syllabus or the pattern. So now let's see about its pattern and the test. So before moving to the syllabus part, so now let's see about the rounds or the selection process in this for this Relabel tournament or Relabel job portal. So basically there will be 5 rounds of selection process. Round 1, 2 is the written test. First one will be the back to basics and assess your algorithm skill. And the time thing that you are seeing here, it is not fixed. As per the slot you have booked, the time you will be getting. And for your reference, just we have added this one. That means 2 hours of time you will be getting. So then the round 3 and 4 will be create your feature and optimize your feature. Basically you need to develop or build a backend project kind of thing. Later we'll be discussing about that. So then the round 5 will be the face-to-face interview, where the experienced professionals will be taking your interview. Normal interview, it will be face-to-face technical interview, virtual only. Then the result declaration, within 24 hours of that test you will be getting the result, your result. Then the company placement will be beginning, and from your home itself you can attend the off campus. And one more thing about the eligibility, the candidates, those who are having 0 to 3 years of experience can apply or register in this portal, and the candidates, those who are willing to join the companies in 0 to 30 days of notice period. So now let's see about the syllabus in detail. So first round is the back to basics, where you can expect 35 questions, MCQ questions only, whereas the candidates is tested on the soundness of their knowledge of the computer science fundamentals, like computer networks, operating systems, basic programming, database or the data structure knowledge, etc. Basic programming questions or the concept or the basic questions will be there, MCQ, based on the linked list, array, string, and multiple class and inheritance, etc. Then access your algorithm skill, where you will be getting 3 coding questions, and the time will be getting 1.5 hours, that means 1.5 hour, and 3 coding questions will be there, and you need to solve the questions they will be checking your problem solving skill and the algorithmic thinking. So here one more thing I need to highlight here, there is no rejection round here. That means because it is not a off campus or it is not for any company, this is for the platform test where you will be getting scoring some mark. For example, the total mark is 150 and you are scoring 150 or you are scoring 100 or 150 out of 150. It's fine, it's up to you. You need to give your best so that the companies will be having some of the criteria. That means you must be good at the basics. That means if you are scoring 50 marks out of 150 or 30 marks, the companies may not consider your profile. So that means there is no rejection in any round. You need to give your best to score more. So here 35 questions will be there, and there will be the MCQ questions from the computer network, operating system, basic programming, database, data structure, etc. Then for the Access algorithm, there will be 3 coding questions. You need to use the IDE, that means integrated development environment, compiler to execute your codes within 1.5 hours only. And they will be asking you from the basics there will like hacker rank problem kind of thing. They will be giving you problem statement. Then the create your feature. So what will be happening in this round, they will be giving you the problem statement. You need to build a feature, or you can say small project kind of thing. You need to require to code and develop the backend of a web application, because they are hiring for the backend development, and if you have applied for the backend development, you need to do the backend development work by using the Node.js or Python, that means Django, or Java or Spring framework. The candidates will be provided with the problem statement as well and user storage, and along with a boilerplate code template also. And you need to give your best. There is no negative marking or there is no rejection. You need to try, or you need to give your best to score more. So now let's see about the next phase, optimize your feature. So you have already built a feature. In this round, you need to implement or extend the functionality of the app. You need to in the previously built project or feature. It will be of also 1.5 hours or 1.5 hour, and totally mark will be 150. Then there will be the face-to-face interview. It will be 45 minutes to 1 hour, and the experts or the senior backend leaders will be there to test your ability of your to build the products and work with the product team in an organization as a team. And they will be again asking you from the backend things only. So now let's see about the syllabus. So this is all about the syllabus. So for the computer science fundamentals, from the computer science fundamentals, basic of the programmings like loop, conditional statement, functions, recursion, etc. Time, sense, space, complexity. Less questions will be there from this section or from this part. Searching and sorting, maximum questions will be from the this part only. Linear search, binary search, quick sort, etc. Merge sort, etc. Basic data structure like array, linked list, stack queue, hash map, tree, etc. And heap, graph, etc. Object oriented programming languages like inheritance. There will be like few lines of code you need to see or implement inheritance in that, etc. Then computer network, few questions will be from this part. Database questions will be more. Then operating systems, again few questions will be or might not be there from this part. Then backend web development. So see, you need to know at least one programming languages, either Python or Java, along with any one more thing, one programming languages as well as the framework. Like for Python there will be Django, for Java Spring MVC, etc. Then any database knowledge like SQL, MongoDB, CouchDB, etc. or NoSQL, etc. because in order to build a software or project you need a database which is mandatory. Then any of the platform or API to connect the application with the database. So these are the three basic things you must be knowing in order to join a company as a backend developer. So these are the mandatory things and you need to take care of these things. So this is all about the syllabus and the selection process or the rounds. So in our upcoming videos we'll be discussing about the front-end development, and again the candidates, those who are willing to register themselves in this portal, you can go definitely, because the companies, if you see, like let me show you, there are many companies like they're hiring. Let me show you the company details where you can find the companies like okay, so where is the job? I forgot where you can check the job. Okay, so there are many companies like you can apply. Let me show 1 to 2, view all jobs. Okay, for the backend, sorry, so the backend, there are many companies like 1mg etc, they are hiring. So if you are willing to apply, you can apply for any of these companies. So yeah, here if you see, like many companies are hiring, Cred, Rejope, 1mg etc. Let's pick this one. So for this Rejope, if you see, like CTC will be 20 lakh to 24 lakh, and if you see company size is this. So if you see, they have not specified any year of pass out or experience criteria here. If you are skilled enough and if you have knowledge, then you can apply for the companies or you can get a job. So that's why I am forcing or requesting everyone to give a shot. You can definitely will be able to crack the off campus, because these companies are very well paid companies, because these are the product based companies. So I am requesting all of you to go through the registration process, register, and in the next video we'll be discussing about few sample questions that they will be asking you in the written test. So stay tuned and all the best for your